can do a lot with color. You can change completely the nature of something just by changing the color of it. So for example, since we're already sort of talking about the sun, I'm just going to do a very quick example of this. So these shapes, in and of themselves, convey happiness and sadness, or disappointment, or something. But if you add color to these shapes, you can accentuate rather the nature of each one. So if I drag this in here and turn this into, I have the yellow sun, but then I go for something a little bit more muted. Oftentimes, cool colors are seen to be a little bit more distant and withdrawn. And so if I choose something that's a little bit more gray and depressing, you see that the color matches the emotion of each character. So color is important in telling the story. And again, reading up on color theory can help you sort of have an insight into the possibilities, different ways of using color to your advantage to sort of convey and reinforce the emotion and the feeling that you're trying to get across in your drawings.